I'm so excited for today's video because I am at my favorite store. I can't wait to show you the best deals, my favorite products, and some surprises too. So come on. As soon as I walk in, I'm already seeing some of my absolute favorite must-have products. These water hyacinth bins are my favorite organizing basket of all time. They're gorgeous. I especially love this mocha color. They are sustainable, they're all natural, but they're so affordable, you guys. You are not gonna find a better deal than these water hyacinth bins. And right over here are the best products, hands down, for organizing a pantry, and that are these pop containers. I love these containers. They keep everything so fresh. They're so quick and easy to decant. And I just think they make your pantry look gorgeous. You know how much I love baskets. Oh, it's just like everywhere I look, it's organizing amazingness. This store makes me so happy. These are gorgeous. Look at the wonders of the container store. If you want to save space in your closet, one of the best tips is just getting these slimline velvet hangers. It's going to protect your clothes, save you space, and the container stores are such a great price. One of my favorite spots to visit for inspiration is definitely the custom closet section. It's like, oh, look at these closets, all different price points too. You have really affordable alpha options right to these beautiful Preston high-end amazing closets. I come in here to drool at all of these gorgeous custom closet options. And the nice thing is you can work with a design specialist with your measurements and get something really custom without you having to do all the planning and the work. You just have to have a dream and they make it happen. Built-in laundry hamper. Look at this. I look fabulous today. I think this is my favorite closet, and this is actually the alpha one. I am obsessed with these gorgeous drawers. We use the same system in Abby's closet, but we went with mesh because she's visual. But because I like to hide all my things, I love these solid doors. This is my dream closet. This is one of my favorite sections of the store because every home needs a command center, and this has the best selection of any other store I've ever been to. So many beautiful options for your paper, for your calendars. No matter what your organizing style is, there's something here for you, no matter how much space you have. And I especially love these calendars. These big, clear calendars are like my go-to when designing a command center for someone who wants a calendar on their wall. It's clear, it's beautiful. You write on it with a dry erase marker, and I've used this in so many clients' homes, including an episode of Hot Mess House. And then if calendars aren't really your thing and you're looking for more paper organization, you definitely need to check out their magazine style racks. They come in lots of different sizes and colors, and they are so affordable here. I talk about these all the time and everyone's like, where do you get them? The Container Store is where you get them. They have a lot of options here for paper storage. And don't forget bulletin boards. I love using bulletin boards for visual organizers, but you don't want it to look like a cork board. They have so many gorgeous options here. Beautiful. It looks like part of your decor, but it's magnetic and you can pin paper to it. I love this display so much. It's all of my favorite things for visual organizers in one place. We have open shelving, it's the alpha system to make things really visual, and they've added a pegboard here, which I love because this is what you need to keep things like office supplies, craft supplies, anywhere you want to have visual storage, it's all about the pegboard. And they also just happen to have my favorite visual organizing bins. These work especially great for butterflies, so visual. They have a handle, a spot to label, and they're only $7, which I think is a great deal. Three-tiered carts. Seriously, three-tiered carts are the perfect solution for a visual person who wants things off the countertop and put away in an organized way. One of the biggest parts of getting organized, of course, is labeling, and I use my Cricut Joy all the time, so I'm so excited that the Container Store now carries it, everything you need to label your home. If you want to label, but you don't want to have to make the labels yourself, I am obsessed with these happy stickers. It gives you that same look of a custom Cricut label, but they're already designed for you in beautiful fonts, and they have different ones for all the different areas of your home. Pantries, kids' room, office, craft rooms. You just peel them off and stick them on your container. These bin clip labels are also a must. I use them all the time in my own home and in clients' homes. They just clip onto any bin or basket that you have, and you can either print the label off on a computer or hand write it. These are so awesome. These are the bins that I use in my baking cabinet, and I am obsessed with them. I can't come to the Container Store without talking about kitchen organization. This section is huge, and they have everything you could ever need to have a functional, beautiful kitchen. If you're a visual organizer like a bee or a butterfly, all of these I design are perfect. Whether it's a pantry organizer or a fridge organizer, there's so many options, but they also have incredible options for hidden organizers like ladybugs and crickets. I am obsessed with these sustainable wood kitchen organizing products. They have everything that they have in clear, they also have in this gorgeous wood, and I love the black. I'm actually going to add some to my cart right now because I want to do a makeover of my dad's kitchen using these. But if you don't love black, they also have the natural wood too. So if you're looking for more of that sophisticated hidden kitchen organization, these are definitely the products you need. We can't talk about kitchen organization without talking about organizing your spices. And they have everything you need here, but I love this, especially if you have your spices in like an upper cabinet. This pull down is only $22 and super easy to install. This is so crazy. And I love this little pull down. This is like, you don't have to install it. This is the one I use in my baking cupboard for all of my sprinkles and baking spices. Love that. They also have all like the labels in every jar you could possibly imagine. If you got to organize some spices, you got to come check this out. This aisle has so many of my favorite things. I just got to stop and show you some of the coolest ones. This is like your snack bag organizer, and I've seen a lot of the wooden ones that you can get from Amazon. This is so much cheaper, and I feel like it's so much better because I actually attached mine to the inside of my cabinet using 3M strips, but you can have it down, you could just set it on a shelf like this. Seriously, so amazing, but keep coming because I know this is lame, but my favorite organizer of all time is this tea organizer. I don't know why, but I have a bunch of them stacked in my cabinet to organize all of my teas. It's the little things that make me happy. I don't like decanting a lot of things, but this holds 8 boxes of tea, so it saves me a ton of space. And because I'm a tea lover, there's just like every morning, it's like, ah, I feel like I have my life together, you guys. When I get my organized tea out of here, I feel like I have my life together. The Playful storage section has so many really cool options. You don't have to be a kid, but this is definitely designated for small or little ones who are butterfly organizers, super visual, but they have them in so many different colors to make it fun. I also love that no matter what your child's theme is, they have containers that kind of make it feel like part of the decor, like little animal bins and baskets for toys and clothing and everything else. And their book storage is really great too. Marie Kondo collection of these big book organizers, so you don't have to have a big bookcase, especially if you're short on space. Just hanging these on the wall, you can store so many of the kids' books, and they come in like a million different colors. They have animal book organizers. But I can't not talk about Lego storage because this is one of the number one questions I get asked. How do you organize Lego? And there are a ton of different options here. I especially love the little pull-out drawers. Not that I recommend you organize your kids' Lego by color, but I love that this big unit, it's cool. It looks like part of the decor, but it's also functional storage for all of those smaller pieces. And they're stackable and modular. So as they continue to grow their Lego collection, you can grow the storage too. But let's talk about my favorite, okay? I saw this and was like, I wish Abby was still into unicorns. They have really beautiful options, whether you're using this for a laundry hamper or you're using this to store stuffed animals. How cute are these themed storage? And they have the ones that fit in the side of the bed too. So for books or all the little like things that they have while laying in bed, I'm just like, these are so adorable and it all coordinates. So you can organize a kid's bedroom literally in this section, everything you need. You can see it all goes together and it's gorgeous storage. I just found all of these bins. I actually use these in a few clients' homes, including a playroom for Hot Mess House. And right now, these are special savings, less than half off. The one thing that really shocked me to find was their huge gift wrapping section. They have so many different bags and wrapping paper, bows, especially for Christmas. This is insane amounts. Every color you could possibly imagine. I also found it really surprising how many options they have for stocking stuffers. All throughout the store, they have different tables with different displays of perfect little gift ideas for anyone on the list. They have so many cute options for kids, little things that I've never even thought of before. They have in all different sections, so kitchen gadgets, stuff for him and her. I'm telling you, this is a really cool place to check out for unique stocking stuffer ideas. So excited! I had so much fun shopping at the Container Store today. I hope you're feeling inspired to pick up something to get your home organized or find a great holiday gift. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I have a little bit of a nervous tick. I don't know if you'd call it a tick. I have this response when I get uncomfortable, when I'm in a situation that causes a lot of anxiety. My go-to reaction is to diffuse the situation with comedy, and it's never funny comedy. I don't know what it is. It's like just inappropriate things fall out of my face. They just fall right out of my face. And it's really particularly bad every time I cross the border. So I don't know why. And I have to cross the border every time I go to the Container Store or any other shopping. And every time I cross, they start asking the questions and they're so serious and they're in their uniforms. And on the other side, they have guns. And I'm like, oh, I'm so scared. I really am only going to shop. And yet I'm just like, ha ha ha, so funny. You pulled me in to check my car. I hope you don't find the bomb in the back. What? And then immediately I'm like, I don't know why I said that. There's definitely not a bomb in the back. I'm just really stupid. I'm so sorry. But literally, this is just my life. You know me, every time I'm flagged. I'm flagged at the border. I get pulled in every single time. And the only reason is because I say such really stupid things to try to be funny. But it's never funny. Let me know in the comments below if you can relate, if you're the type of person who you have no filter and it is amplified in anxiety-ridden situations. I'm curious. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.